This is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and in today's video we would like to showcase how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, you're gonna, somehow launch enter the Wi-Fi settings. The quickest and the most universal way to do that is by swiping downwards from the top part of your display. So you'll launch the notification center, expand the control panel over here, long press at the Wi-Fi shortcut. Once and at the internet category of settings, you would need to choose the Wi-Fi network that you were to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one I'm currently connected to. Tap on it. At the network details page, you'll be able to find the dedicated share icon, and once at the share Wi-Fi page, you'll be able to find the actual Wi-Fi password right over here below the QR code. Or you can also use the QR code itself, get it scanned, and any other device that you used for the mentioned action will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.